Oh dear. This is the world that I was in when I did the mod tutorial. I haven't been in this world because I don't really play single player. Anyway, I'm going off topic. I don't know why I don't have Ender Steve. Oh, this is because, actually I do know why I don't have Ender Steve. It's because Minecraft.net's down and it's took my skin temporarily off me. God damn it. But, okay, the reason I'm in this server is just to, this single player world is just to explain things a little. I can't join my server because, Minecraft.net is down, I'm pretty sure, which is very annoying, but yeah, I'm sorry that the tutorial wasn't the best in that way. Like, I didn't even manage to get into my own server, but it should work because I tried Feed the Beast and it didn't let me in there, and I was in Feed the Beast earlier with another person, so I know for a fact that that server was working. I just want to go through a few little things that you need to know, like troubleshooting and stuff like that. Hamachi has a problem. Well, Hamachi is a problem. It's annoying. There's a lot of things that can go wrong with it, like sometimes my friends can't join and I'll just have to log out of Hamachi, log back in, you know, the usual things like that. If it's coming up with an error, like saying like there's a red dot next to your friend's name instead of a green one, then it means that there's a relayed tunnel. I can't quite remember how to solve that, but just Google search how to fix relay tunnel, try out some of those suggestions. If not, then, you know, comment on this video. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, but I can't read the comments straight away because I don't actually have access to the Hotmail, to the Gmail that is linked with this account, so I don't see when the messages are here, but yeah. And no one else that has the email, I think, would know how to do this, because no one plays it on the multiplayer Minecraft. But yeah, that's one problem. Another problem that I had today was that I don't have problems all the time, but this is just, you know, convenient that it happened today. It was saying that I was offline and stuff to my friends, and to solve that I just googled something and went in the search bar, typed in services dot something, and then navigated to Hamachi and clicked start, and that just always does the job for some reason. But yeah, Hamachi is quite problematic, but I don't know every problem that's to do with it and stuff like that. Another thing that's a big problem that stopped me doing servers completely was unfortunately one that, if you like safety on your computer, is, you know, it's going to be a problem for you. Oh my god, yay! I don't have my mods either because I thought that for some reason that Minecraft.net wasn't the problem, and I thought it might have been that my mods were installed is why it wouldn't let me in a server. Well, that's stupid. It should let me in anyway. But as I was saying, actually, what the hell was I saying? I remember what I was going to say. It took me a while. I had to stop recording and rewatch the video. I'm sorry, I'm very, very derpy at times. Well, basically, you want to disable your firewall. I didn't like doing it. Like, I don't have it disabled all the time because I don't feel safe like that, because I'm a paranoid. But, why is the beef here? Yeah, and XP. But, yeah, you have to sometimes turn off Windows Firewall, try turning off, just temporarily, all of your antiviruses if you're, like, you know, safely just trying to connect with a friend. And if it really doesn't work because of that, then it can't be anything stopping it, can it? So, yeah. So try disabling firewalls and stuff if it's not letting you make a server, join a server, or anything like that. Yeah. Another problem that is quite common is not being able to break blocks. Now, luckily, I'm so glad that these single player worlds kind of have multiplayer cheats, but when you're in multiplayer, you should be able to have this slash bar and stuff like that. Yeah. But I don't know why I actually mentioned that, because that's kind of useless. I'm going to actually get up something to show you what you need to do things. Okay, I'm going to open a random server. This is what you want to do right from the start. If you can't break, you won't be able to break blocks. Well, most likely you won't be able to break blocks from the start. If you are, then you're somehow hacking in a good way. But well, what you got to do is you got to click OP on this little bar here. You can click. It doesn't really look like a bar, but OP and then space and then your name in Minecraft. Mine is the Mirror's Edge. So, like that. And then it should say opt the Mirror's Edge. Now, if you're in game, it'll tell you that you've been opt. If you are opt, then you can basically break blocks and like use commands and stuff like that. I'll show you commands in just a sec, but yeah, if you got more than one player, you might want to opt. Balls, you know, and then I'll up and player called Balls if ever Balls wants to join my server, which probably won't, but yeah. Yeah, I'm going to be back in the game now, and then I'll explain the rest. My god, I'm playing again, and Minecraft.net is still down. I know it's only been a few minutes, but I'm still annoyed. The other things that I was going to say was, you're going to have commands. Now, the reason why I said I'm happy that single player has this is because this is exactly what it looks like in multiplayer. You want to click either T, or the, like, slash, and then this bar will appear and stuff like that. Now, what you can do is, if you opt, you can use these commands. So like game mode and then space 1, you'll be turned into creative mode. You can fly and all that good stuff. You know, access all that. You can have game mode 0 back to survival mode. XP and then like, yeah, 1. Oh god, I can't type that much, you know, it'll give me that much stuff. There's a full list of commands that you can use, but they're pretty useful and help you out in multiplayer, so I hope that does help. It will say, it won't just say player, it'll actually say your name if you're in multiplayer. I think I've covered everything. If not, I'll hastily record it, and if you're having any problems or need to know anything else, then I will help the best I can and as fast as I can, because I am the gingerbread man's. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Yep. If you need any more Minecraft tutorials, any other tutorials that I might be able to help with, then Steve and me will try to help. Yeah. See you guys later.